What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 47 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see, it's Sunday, November 21st. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. With that being said, let's go and dive into the tracker. Last week I ended at 13,121.43. I did not deposit any cash at all, so the total still stands at 96.50. Transactions, I did actually sell off ChargePoint and hit my target price of 28.01. So I believe I have a 43% return on ChargePoint. As you can see, the history of it on 9/30, bought it at 19.79, average down on 10/1 at 18.88, and then sold my shares at 28.01 on the 17th. So, and guys, just to give you a heads up, I only have one more video left after this. I'm not going to record or post anything this Friday after Thanksgiving. I'll be in and out of Dallas this week and also in December. So I'm gonna do one more at the end of the first week of December, then that will be it. So I guess I want to just say thank you guys for watching and sticking along on this journey, this 12-month journey. Hope you enjoyed my bloodshed and learned from it. But yeah, I'll go over the results one more time in the last video, next steps, and if I were to start this thing all over again, what would I do? So those three things will be brought up, and hopefully it brings you guys value and you learn and make money from it. So with that being said, guys, let's go and dive into the app. So here we are, guys, inside my app. As you can see, I took a pretty big hit, down 2.62% for the week, with a grand total of 12,861.94 or 98. Buying power is now at $4,005.11 because I just sold ChargePoint. And let's go ahead and dive into my plays. Point for the week down 14.75%. Market value 1128.40, down almost 50%. Average cost 1440, 155. In this AMC up 1.86%. Market value 821.80. Total return up 2.65%. Average cost 40.03. Sitting with 20 shares of this. Future FinTech down 13% this week. Market value 1732.25, down 53%. Average cost 363. 1,025 shares of this. Nike up 3%. Market value 1399.04. Total return 1634. Average cost 150.32. 8 shares of this. Apple for the week up 7%, looking good. Market value 2422.09, up 15.72%. Average cost 139.12, sitting with 15 shares of this. Dividend plays, Crestwood Equity down about 4%. Market value 277.23. Total return up 56.24%. Average cost 17.72. 10 shares of this. IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, down almost 2.5% for the week. Market value 839.15. Total return 56.59. Average cost 175.79, and 3 shares of this. Now my completed transfers tab. Again, my last deposit was November 1st of $300. Other than that, I did not deposit any cash, just being transparent as usual. And yeah, that is it. So guys, if you made this far in the video, smash the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the last one. Peace.